Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect wireless headphones or earbuds to Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to pair earbuds with your Samsung, then what you need to do is first open the settings. Let's go to the settings and then go to connections and then make sure that Bluetooth is enabled over here. Tap on the slider on the right side if it's not enabled and then go to Bluetooth. Now over here you can see the devices that are available. And I'm actually gonna now open my case and I'm gonna enter the pairing mode in order to let my Samsung detect our you need to do that to let the Samsung detect your earbuds or your wireless headphones. Now once you do that, of course, you should be able to find your device on the list of available devices, so you need to tap on it. Then we will proceed the pairing. We need to confirm that we want to pair, and there we go, now we are connected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.